How you doing, guys? I just wanted to put up a real quick video. Today's date is December 26th, but I want to put up a quick technical chart of silver, gold, and the dollar and what I see. There's a couple things here that you can see clearly. This is a 1-year daily. You can still see that silver is clearly in an uptrend. No two ways around it. If you look back at some of these past times here, you can see where it's topped out at the top of the Bollinger Band, come down, and started bouncing back up. We're right in that same exact spot now, where we hit up at the top, came back down, and we've actually consolidated here. From this point to over here, we've actually went kind of across, and now we're starting to go back up. Stochastics are kind of confirming that reversal in trend. The only thing I'm not really excited about is the volume here has went down. But that is expected coming the end of the year, and especially around Christmas time. But overall, I think silver is due to come into a little bit of a breakout. Let's look at gold real quick. GLD ETF. Pretty much the same. You can see the sell-off at the top of the Bollinger Band. You can see where we started to come down, hit into this moving average, and we started to consolidate, and we've actually started to go back up just a little bit. Stochastics again indicating a reversal. It's not really confirmed yet, but you can see back on all these previous ones where you see where it's touched down and it's oversold, it's come back up. You can see where it's come back up here. You can start to see where we've started to went back up. If you just look at some of these past things, and obviously these weren't big jumps, but because of this massive sell-off here, I think this is a good time to speculate somewhat that this thing's going to be getting ready to bounce. We've come into some previous support. We kind of just barely touched it here. You can see here, here's some decent support here in this area here, and you can see that we've actually just kind of barely touched it. We got that little wick there, and then it's reversed. So hopefully this will ride back through. But I also want to point out the UUP index, which is the dollar index fund. You can see here on this, stochastics are indicating that we're oversold, and it hasn't been confirmed. But you can also see the sell-off in the volume. If this can come back down and break maybe 2275, which we're at 2303 now, I think this thing could drop back down. If it doesn't break that and it bounces off it, then obviously we could be going back up. But overall, just looking at this from a real simple point of view, we're oversold, we're overbought on the dollar, and we're oversold on silver and gold. So hopefully gold and silver can get back some of its gains. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.